Hi, Bill Fries here, and I wanted to personally thank you for choosing to attend the 2022 Nonprofit Leadership Conference coming up September 28th at the Tampa Marriott Water Street, live and in person. After 2 years of doing it virtually and hosting it right here from my own home office, I can't wait to be in person with each and every one of you. And as we speak, the NLC team is working hard to wrap up all the details, and there's a lot packed into this conference. 8 dynamic breakout sessions on critical topics to each and every one of us right now. Things like retaining top talent, mental well-being, intentional leadership, diversity, equity, inclusion, and more. So many great things. It's going to be hard to choose from all 8 topics. Also, lots and lots of networking, time to get together again and connect and do the things that we love to do when us nonprofit professionals get together. Also, for CEOs and executive directors, a special breakout networking session just for you this year. And finally, I don't know how NLC did it, but our keynote speaker, Natalie Kogan, and her topic is very critical to all of us. It's talking about ways that we can handle this burnout that we're all dealing with after this pandemic. And she's got some amazing tips, and we're looking forward to that keynote. By the way, all of this information is found right on the NLC website. If you just click Leadership Conference, it all comes up right here. Agenda, the breakouts, all the details, everything you need to know. I am looking forward to seeing you September 28th.